how to connect Wix website to Hostinger. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to connect these two platforms. So let's say you have purchased a domain from Hostinger and now you want to use it for your Wix website. So it's very easy, so simply navigate to your Wix dashboard over here and click on your settings option, or actually you could also check it out on your setup option over here. But what you're simply going to look for is the domain options over here. So if you click on domains, we should be able to find our different domains over here that we could actually connect with. So we're actually only going to enter the domain, as you can see, enter the domain that you have purchased from Hostinger. So let's say Caesar.shop here and click on let's go. It will basically check if that domain is available in the market, but if it's not, as you can see, you can simply click on yes, I own this domain since you have purchased it in Hostinger, and then there will be a set of instructions on what you need to do, but I can't see that, as you can see, because you will need to upgrade to a premium plan to connect your custom domain in Wix. So after you upgrade this, then you can simply now proceed to connecting your domain. It's actually very simple. You don't really need that much instructions on how to do it because there will be a lot of information provided to you by Wix themselves. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.